sir.
Hello everyone, my name is Dhanush Patel. I hope everyone doing good. Today we are going to present our assignment 2. We created a scalable and secure AWS-based students record management system for the XYZ name university. It is our title page. The next slide is about the why cloud migration. So basically, the university's old system had a big issue. It would slow down or crash when too many students logged in. So this was a huge problems during the admissions or when the grade were released. So that's why we moved the systems to the cloud. The next slide is about our cloud solution goals. So basically our the main aim and the objective of our goal was to make a system that works fast and never crashes. We also wanted to keep students data safe and make sure the system could grow if the needed. So we much more focused on four things: high performance, strong security, easy scaling and the low cost. So AWS gave us all the tools to do this properly to deploy the applications in the cloud. The next slide is about the system architecture overview. So we designed our full and in detail system architectures. So here is a big pictures. Look at our whole system. Students open the app through the cloud front, which helps pages load the fast. Then the request goes through a load balancers to our EC2 server. These servers handle the app's logic. Data is stored in the RDS, which is backed up automatically. Secret managers keep the passwords safe and secure, and the CloudWatch monitors everything. Thank you. The next slide will be presenting my friend Dhruvi.
Hello guys, my name is Dhruvi. So the slide number 5 is like a fast contact delivery with a CloudFront. CloudFront is like a delivery helper. It stores the website's contact in many places around the world. So when a students log in, CloudFront gives them the closest copy, and it also reduces the load on our backed service. And if I scroll the new things in the next slide. It's the EC2 auto scaling groups. So it's EC2 is where all the apps login runs when a student view or edit a record. EC2 headlines like, but we did not stop at on a server. We used something called auto scanning, and the app stays fast, and we don't waste money on extra service. In the next slide I will talk about load balance. The load balancers makes sure traffic in shared equality. If 500 students log in at one time, so the load balancer send requirements to the EC2's EC2s. So this stop any single service from getting overloaded. It's help the system stay online if only one server fails. And in the next slide is RDS multi AZ. RDS is our database, and it stores all the students' data safely. We use the multi AZ option, which means that the data is copied to a second location. So even if something goes wrong in one area, so the data stays the safe and the system keeps working properly. It's reliable and secure choice. And next slide will be continued by Harshkumar Patel.
Thank you, Dhruvi. Myself, Harsh Patel. I am from CQ Brisbane campus. So let's we talk about the secret manager. So in this one, we didn't store any passwords and all. We will use the AWS secret manager to store the password, and whenever we required, they give directly to EC2 when it's needed. This keeps everything safe and private. It's all about the privacy. If we ever need to change the password, we can do it in a one place without touching the code. So let's talk about CloudWatch. Can you please change to next slide? CloudWatch is like our system health monitoring system. It collects log, watches performance, and sends alert if something wrong. If a server crash or something is too slow, we will know right away. This helps the IT team fix the problem quickly and keep the thing running smoothly. Can you please put into next slide? Let's talk about public and private subnets. Our system is split into two parts, public and private subnets. The load balancer is into the public subnet, so it can talk to the internet. EC2, RDS, and secret managers are in private subnets where they are hidden from the public. This keeps hacker out and protect the sensitive data. Thank you so much. Next slide will be presented by Parthesh.
Hello guys, I am Parthesh Patel from CQ Melbourne campus. Let's talk about design and justification. Our design check all the box. It's scalable because EC2 auto scaling adjust to demand. It's a load balance to handle a lot of user, and it's always available with RDS backup. Plus, it's cost friendly. We only pay for what we use. Next slide. Challenges we face. So we had many challenges at first. We were not sure if we should use EC2 or go serverless. Setting up subnets and permission was confusing. Also, IAM role and linking everything in Cloudcraft took time, but we learned together. Also question and figure it out step by step. Next slide, team role and collaboration. We split out our work into four parts. One person work on EC2 and scaling. Another did the database and security. Someone else handled monitoring and diagram, and one person work on the report and coordination. We had a regular check-in and help each other solve problem. That's how we stayed organized. And next slide. To thank you for listening our presentation. We are happy to answer any question you have.